Teacher Forex School, your number one online financial trading school. Today, we want to show you how to trade financial market using stochastic oscillator indicator. First of all, you need to know what a stochastic oscillator indicator is. Stochastic oscillator indicator is an oscillator indicator. Being an oscillator indicator, it enables forex trader to know whether the market is in an oversold condition or in an overbought condition. By enabling them, it has two crossover oscillator indicator, that is the stochastic oscillator and the signal line. It also ranges between 0 to 100. The crossover point takes place when the stochastic oscillator crosses above the signal line at below 20, or it crosses below the signal line at above 80. I think we can start with oversold condition. From our crossover stochastic oscillator, there are 3 points being indicated. There is point A, there is point B, there is point C. Point B is the stochastic oscillator indicator, while point C is the signal line. Point A is the crossover point. As you can see from point A, the stochastic oscillator has crossed above the signal line at below 20. That is an indication of an oversold condition at point A. This will signal the trader to open a long position since the market will start to move upwards. As you can see from our diagram, the market is starting to move upwards. The market is moving upwards. The market is moving upwards. The market is moving upwards. I think we can move to the overbought stochastic oscillator. Overbought stochastic oscillator, there are 3 points being indicated. There is point A, point B, and point C. Point A is the crossover point, while point B is the stochastic oscillator indicator, while point C is the signal line. At point A, the stochastic oscillator has crossed below the signal line at above 80. This is an indication of an overbought condition over there. This will signal the trader to enter a short position since the market will start moving downward. As you can see from our diagram, the market has started to move downwards. The market is moving downwards. The market is moving downwards. The market is moving downwards. I hope you have enjoyed our video for today. Until next time, goodbye.